Hello guys, what's up bro? There's Android Hacker and I will show you how to root your Android phone. Okay, just go to the Google Play and hit root. Download this app, click install and accept, and when you install it, click root and your phone will be rooted. I hope that will help you and you will enjoy the video. Subscribe, share and comment. See you in the next video. Bye.